Hey guys, so I want to show you one of my very favorite brand new eyeshadow looks, okay? It's really pretty. I love it a lot, and the coolest thing about it is that you get to pick your own colors that go together, okay? So you get to pick your own customizable palette. You get these cute little discs of color, okay? And they magnet right in, okay? So they're not going anywhere, and this whole thing magnets closed, okay? Super cute, super easy to travel with. I love picking combinations, okay? I have 3 so far. I've got the 4th one on its way. I have a little bit of a problem. It is what it is. Okay, so in order to show you guys what I did on this side, we're gonna start, of course, with our eye primer. We know how important now primer is, if we didn't know before, for your face, and it's also really important if you're gonna be using eyeshadow on your eye. Why? Because you want that eyeshadow to last. It helps make it extra crease proof. It helps make the colors pop. They're so vibrant, and it helps make your makeup last all day, as we know. So really key to put that eye primer on. You guys can see here, this side has primer, this side does not, okay? If you're gonna be using eyeshadow, you wanna make it worth it, right? Plus you get to use less, so it's actually saving you money in the long run. So primer's super key. I just love this new primer. It makes these colors pop, you guys. They're so vibrant, so pigmented. Okay, so step 1 in this eyeshadow look is to open our cute little palette here, and I'm going to take my liner shader brush, and I'm going to take the shade side, and I'm going to go right into this light pink color, okay? A little bit of the light pink there, and we're just going to tap it right onto the lid. Look how pigmented that is, you guys. So amazing. This is this light color, and look how dark it turns out because it's so pigmented. It's just so nice. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so I've got that all over the lid. Then my next step is to take my crease brush. It's a little bit stiffer, a little bit shorter, and I'm going to take it into the dark pink color here and just do like right up here up top and blend up. Now I have hooded eyes, so I have to blend up pretty far because otherwise you can't see it. See? Okay, so that's looking pretty close, Once I blend it, I think we're gonna be pretty even here with the other eye, which is always the goal. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take this color and drag it down underneath. Great. And then I'm gonna take my blending brush, super fluffy brush here. I'm gonna hold it at the bottom so that I'm using less force. Kind of reduces the leverage that you have, so you have a really light touch to your blend. Okay, and you just kind of blend it out, and there you go. Super pretty. I love these palettes. Customizing them is so fun. There's 25 colors to pick from, okay? Like, you can come up with literally any combination with 25 colors. So all I need to do after this is a little bit of liner, a little bit of mascara, and I'm good to go. So I love these palettes, you guys. They're so much fun. I hope that you take a couple of minutes to look at the colors. I'll drop them in the comments and pick out what 4 that you want to put together. All right, guys, I'll see you later.